2020 Lexus RCF Track Edition, 97K? What? What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. I'm here with co-host Frenchie, who is a little shaky and wet because it's raining outside. But we are here to talk about the brand new announcement for the pricing of the 2020 Track Edition RCF. A few months ago, Lexus announced that they're going to make a hardcore variant of the RCF, and they displayed it at multiple auto shows. I have a couple pictures that I'm going to show up here on the screen so you guys can see. It is truly a beautiful car. So much carbon fiber bits, big carbon ceramic brakes. It looks awesome. The interior is top notch. The paint options that it comes with are beautiful. I mean, the redesign of the headlights and taillights looks great in my opinion, a lot better than the previous generation of the car. Looks wise, great. Performance wise, a little bit of increase in power. We'll go over all the specs and details that they announced, but the big shocker here is the price. $96,650 starting price, okay? Wrap that around your head. That's almost $97,000, and they're saying that that's the starting price. So, which kind of doesn't make sense. If that's their track variant edition, I don't know if they're gonna make the carbon ceramics an option. Are they gonna make the titanium exhaust an option? The carbon fiber bits an option? We'll see when they actually start producing them and letting us build it on the website. But if it's only the starting price at $96,000 plus those options, carbon ceramic brakes, at least 10 grand. All the carbon fiber bits, another 5 grand on top of that. So if that's the case, this car is going to be well over 120K. Let's hope that's not the case. I mean, granted, it will be a limited edition. Correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong, but they said they're going to make about 50 of these vehicles. So it's going to be super, super rare. So if you're lucky enough to get your hands on this RCF, man, that's going to be a collector's item down the road for sure. The last of the naturally aspirated big V8 motors, man, that's gonna be as rare as the LFA is. So whoever gets these cars is a lucky person. Anyway, let's go over some of these specs of this car, okay, so we can kind of justify the price that they're asking. The power goes up 5 horsepower and 6 pound-feet of torque to a total of 472 horsepower, 395 pound-feet of torque. You know, they probably tweaked the ECU, and to the new exhaust system that they put on the car, you gain a little bit of power. Will it be noticeable? Maybe. We'll see. The big factor here is that the Track Edition lost weight, okay? And you guys all know, if you have a heavy car, you're not going to be fast on a racetrack, on an autocross course, because weight slows you down. So they took a lot of precautions to lose weight in the RCF. So here are the things they did to help lose 176 pounds. First thing, they have hollow half shafts in the car to save weight. Second, they shrunk the intake manifold to reduce the size of it and less material to save weight, which I thought was pretty crazy. They're using a smaller air conditioning condenser, less weight. Some of the suspension components are now aluminum, which is always a great thing. They have new lightweight 19-inch BBS wheels, always welcome. Carbon ceramic big brake kit on the RCF. Finally, they need the carbon ceramics to stop that heavy car from whatever speed it's doing. So it's finally getting carbon ceramic brakes and rotors. And if you guys know, carbon ceramic rotors are so much lighter than these steel rotors. So big plus on that one. When I heard this at the auto show, the person that was talking about the RCF that was on display, he said titanium mufflers and exhaust tips, okay? Titanium, catback, you know how much weight that's gonna save? And how good that's gonna sound? Awesome. As you know, there's gonna have numerous carbon fiber bits. The front splitter the hood, the roof, the rear wing, all carbon fiber, lightweight, roof and hood. You know how much weight that's gonna save? A lot. So that is 176 pounds of weight saving from all these things, okay? The RCF finally gets launch control. My GSF doesn't have launch control. All previous RCFs, GSFs don't have launch control. The 10th year anniversary RCF, GSF don't have launch control. So finally, Lexus is putting launch control in the car and is claiming that the car will do 0 to 60 in 4 seconds flat. Okay, not bad. 4 seconds, 0 to 60. This car claims 4.5. I've managed it in 4.3 with a passenger. The car is going to run Michelin Pilot Super Sport 4S tires, which is a great all-around tire. No complaints about that. But price-wise, guys, let's say 96,000, let's say 97 grand with all these things, with the carbon ceramics, with all the carbon fibers, spoilers, and bits. Nothing is going to be extra. So you're just going to pay tax, title, license, and your fees, and you're out the door. So let's say, you know, 97K plus those taxes. What is your competition in this field? You have the BMW M4 Competition, the M4 Competition CS, you have the Mercedes-Benz C63 S AMG, also with very similar options with carbon ceramics, with, you know, carbon fiber hood, multiple components like that are very similarly priced, okay? If not a little bit lower. Granted, they're not as rare as the RCF is going to be. That's why their price is kind of so high. But M4 Competition, basically fully loaded, ceramic brakes, dual clutch, is around 92K, okay? 0 to 60 of that car, 3.8 seconds, which is already faster than the RCF. And that's stock, okay? The issue I'm having here with the RCF is the lack ability of tunability, if you know what I'm saying, because we want more power always. 472 horsepower, that's nice, but the BMW and the Mercedes-Benz, granted, everybody's gonna say they're not as reliable, this and that. I understand, I hear you. But the potential for those cars to make power, mind-blowing. I mean, simple tune with no hardware modifications and you are just destroying everything, okay? You add bigger turbos, bigger downpipes, exhaust, tune, intakes, and those cars' potential is honestly limitless. As far as the RCF goes, you have RR Racing that could possibly throw in supercharger kit if they manage to break the ECU, but that's gonna be down the road. But I want you guys to comment below and tell me if you think the RCF is overpriced. Is it fairly priced? Would you consider the RCF Track Edition as your next car, or would you consider something like an M4 Competition, C63 S AMG? Let me know, guys. I want to know your opinion, because I'm kind of on the fence. If I was to buy a car, what would I go? And honestly, don't hate me, Lexus fans, my subscribers. I love you guys. I love Lexus. But if I was to not have a mortgage or anything and have a car, I would most likely go with the C63 S AMG sedan, because power options on that thing are insane. You could, and it sounds good for a V8 turbo car. So that would be probably my choice. If not, M5 Competition. You know, I love my Germans. I had my GTI for so many years. It was so reliable. I had no issues. Honestly, I think the German cars, it's a hit or miss. Some cars are good, some cars are gonna have problems. But anyway, I digress. I'm gonna cut this video right here. Comment below if you think Lexus priced this car fairly. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, smash that bell icon for the next video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.